Now, when you come to enter both phone number and email address for clients, should you choose to use these aspects of Pragmatic Tracker, you need to verify those phone numbers and email addresses. So you enter the phone number in the normal way, and you'll notice that a tick appears red at the end of it. And you'll see when I hover on this, you can see it says click to send text verification message. Now I'm going ahead here to write in an email address as well. And once again, you can see that this is red, and if I hover here, it will say click to send verification email. Now it's really important to understand this process here. The reason that it's necessary to verify phone number and email address is to ensure that Pragmatic Tracker as a system is communicating correctly with the client that you want it to be communicating with, to make sure you've entered the data properly. Now, the best time to actually do this verification process is actually when you're directly in contact with the client, ideally, because then you can explain to the client, let's say you're on an introductory Zoom call, or you're on an introductory face-to-face meeting, or an introductory telephone call. You can say, right now, I'm just going to send you a verification text message, and I'm going to send you a verification email message. And while the client is actually in communication with you, they should receive the text message and the verification email, and they can confirm to you while you're actually directly in contact with them that they have received those messages. In which case you can then proceed to tick the little square box, and you'll notice the uptick now turns to green. And that means that the verification process has been completed. Now, unless these two ticks are green, Pragmatic Tracker cannot communicate with your client. So it's vitally important that you get that bit correct. And the best time to do that is when you're in direct contact with your client. Otherwise, you'll have to have a follow-up contact with the client to ensure that they've received the messages. Both of these messages ask the person to get in touch with you to confirm that, but the easiest way to do it is when you're directly in contact with them.